and that.
You still not try.
And that, but you sure his woman is you know, you sure his business alone in their country I deal with. And
So
no woman in it.
Which woman? Alright, so you are. Is a woman that try to get the piece of land for you, see?
Oh wow,
Oh,
convenient.
From the piece.
This
Me gonna wow. The excitement, you know.
Wow.
And that never run from
Me
me.
have such a look, I must say, I don't know. Wait, continue, tell me more.
Well, no, I'm going to tell you.
Me don't listen to cut and say about that.
Continue. When I talk about, when I say name Nicey,
Oh,
she forward from down a field place, and she said, she know which part we can get piece of land.
I know.
She try to work on the land for me.
Well, it's Nicey lady come from now, that blues.
Trevor, you not tell her about Nicey. Tell her I said Nicey work down at your place, and at your link.
Yeah, Miga, she work down at my place still, you know. And left him there reason with her, you know, so we don't know what really that transpire, so.
Yeah, but yeah, and me alone in their reason still, because him have other workers from the place, you know?
Yeah.
So the one of their reason.
Yeah.
And one of the youth down there.
Yeah, the youth down there. And the daughter show me say, him want this, him like the place and, you know, him like
Stick up
this.
me, Trevor. Oh, you move fast. It's when you start out the fast, something right. Yeah, cool.
Neither.
Remember say, look at him and what really happened, Alfred?
Like him I tell you. That
He not tell me nothing, and me and you are reason you calling the man over here about.
Because I'm
Man go and have a drink over there, say, yeah, man. You have my customer, you have him customer to do. Don't bother come put yourself in this. Go over there, so. Yeah, you.
Neither. Him good still, you know.
Him good.
Him good still, you know.
I'm a good man. I'm a good.
Yeah, I don't understand this. You're not link, we're gonna link up none at all, and then you are do your thing, I do my thing, and now you're up with the excitement. What that for?
Which excitement?
The excitement, yeah.
What? Me and you in here come in with a customer for you, come, you know, support the business, and me don't know what kind of excitement me I keep up. Who me a trouble today?
Your energy not right.
The energy, how come my energy not right after a sudden? But they
Nice.
did nice so long.
You start paying back your money.
Oh, okay. It's about me now. No, it's about you and Nicey.
What
And
about
you
me
bring
and
up this
Nicey?
Nicey thing to me, I don't know who is Nicey. So far, me only know about Big Batilana. You understand? So I don't know. I want this new Nicey come in for the Big Batilana. I know enough. I know.
Different something that you have.
Me know enough.
Mega. Different something you talk about.
A different something. But are you bringing Nicey?
Not bringing
Who's
Nicey.
Nicey?
Tell us, alright, so here said the man of a place down there. I'm going to link him, called here. You see what going on here? You see what going on your place?
Father God.
You remember, no? You see what going on your place? You never remember say it's a virgin woman. No.
I
Trevor, tell her, say, a long time you know, you know.
I want you to remember. Trevor, I don't know nothing about we. I want you to remember how far we have come from, Trevor.
You just call me Trevor.
Numbers.
See what I want? Trevor, in a real life, where you Omega in?
You really want to go there, sir? Eh? Alfred? You mean me for cold, brother?
To the way I see it, you know, it's like every woman you see, you want them. And let me tell you this now. Me, not going to keep up with it.
Mega, here say you go off now.
You know what?
Brother, what that for?
What you say?
What is? I never mean you walk from in front of me with Lana. I never mean. Look here, I'll action my watch, not words. And you walk off with Lana in front of me, but I want it's a labor day that, you know. You hear me say? Full-time work. So you must know what you want with the life. Leave that place.
Just take the key and just go in the car. So far. So far. I'm a good man.
Really no. Really no. Alright then. Make the one out with us have a nice drink. Let me get the drink with that I bought already. You over there, so. I joke to me on there, you know.
Yeah,
Babes! Sweetie, drink.
Where you at?
Anything, we just want something for drink. I leave now.
Nigga, just go relax in the car. I'm so far. Now what are reasoning with it?
No problem. I just want to go back for my place. But I mean, I understand what I'm understand. Thanks, baby.
Who might have found the key ring? Say,
Okay.
Yeah. Where are the key, man?
We talk.
Yeah, man. You're so forward, man.
Yeah, we know. I'm here, yeah, guess.
Brother, you see it go? Unfair game play twice.
So that's how you deal with it.
Deal with what? You accuse me saying me deal with the woman. When I just help, me not try to help her.
Help her. So what you think me there for? What you think a man feel for no say? Him can help him woman and she will seek help elsewhere.
Yo, don't tell you already. And you and her have a son at all. You see, me only come in as a neutral man to just help out a situation. You understand? Because if you did a help her out, she wouldn't come to me to help.
So let me ask you something. I'm going to tell you, say, I'm not help her.
She never tell me that. But from the reasoning when me and her have, me just assume say she really need some help and I just monetary help.
Remember say you are the great Trevor Sullivan, you know? Contractor, entrepreneur, weed runner, Bugsy.
And who tell you about that name?